don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Canon QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukuna 0. I'm joined by friend my brother Libitso ke mangozo guy.
Kamala Musia nje amepeka ngeke.
Yeah, sure.
Ngithi mina mfethu siphethe uTito.
Sure.
Tito first half is doing all the magic and stuff.
Definitely.
He's holding the ball. Is doing all the necessary things that he's mfethu uTito abamba ibhola mfethu uyenza into zakhe.
Sure.
Ndomela ngenza ngakho.
Yeah.
The way sim expect ukuthina uTito simaziyo ukuthi expect ayenza ngakho.
Never.
Sharp.
Sure.
Second half angazi kwenzakalani mfethu isikhukhuna siyiphethe kanje. It was on like here, like in the middle of our park.
Yes.
Angazi ukuthi yini sihlule ukuthi mfethu we don't have a definite striker. Sambisa uMabasa. Mabasa manje kuStelisi. Mabasa scored.
Ukorile first game.
Ukorile first game. First game. That guy is a sniper.
Yes.
Right now we have Makgopa. Makgopa is more of he wants to collect the ball. He wants to make sure that I don't know what's happened, but we need a quality structure, striker and stuff. It's not Utuma. Ungenile. What senzeni? It's ne defense na.
Sure.
It's clean defense here. Goalkeeper clean, midfielder clean. But right now, we just need someone who's going to collect the ball and just score. First, also was to hold the ball, relax. Sina yonke into mfethu. Sina yonke into mfethu. Siphethe wonke umuntu kazi sakwazi ukudlala ibhola.
Uthi yonke angadlala.
Uthi bheka manje, yazi kwenzakalani mfethu. Asibheke manje iposition. Sure. Ukubani position?
Angazi.
We have got all the position in the world right now, but we just need someone, a point of reference. We need someone who's going to score. Someone who's going to receive the ball and be able to handle the ball. Relax, relax with the ball and score the ball. Bro, we've got all the necessary talent that we need.
Chiefs still have a chance.
Mina angazi Pirates mina angazi kwenzakalani ngayo. Angazi Pirates mfethu angazi kanti why kanti kwenzakalani mfethu why mfethu uma basi uhambile uyakora ngale asinama striker la mfethu baloku baza ku midfield bafunani la wena mele bele ufunani la. But I don't know, but a game is a game, and life goes on and stuff. As long as we've got 1 point, it's fine. But I'm not happy with our front line and stuff. I'm happy with our back line. Defense is fine. I'm happy with our midfielders. I'm happy with the attacking midfielders and stuff, wingers and stuff. They're able to hold the ball. They're able to play the ball. But we need someone who's going to finish the ball, man. Score.
Thank you, man.
Master Chef.